What is up, everybody? My name is Austin and you are watching the Powerstroke channel. Today's video we're going to be installing the Diamond Eye exhaust. I ordered a 4-inch straight pipe for the Powerstroke. I'm going to axle dump it and put a giant 10-inch tip on it. It's going to be awesome and I cannot wait to share that with you guys. And before we get any further, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video. Alright guys, so now we're headed to Cody's house. He has a driveway and tools and a space that I can put the exhaust in. He's going to help me out because I honestly have no idea what I'm doing. Oh my gosh, guys, the exhaust just went on the truck. It sounds absolutely amazing. I cannot explain it. It is such a night and day difference between the stock system that was on the truck and the new 4-inch straight pipe with the 10-inch tip. This thing is ridiculous. It sounds so much better. So here's the old, I threw away the down pipe, but the down pipe actually was smaller than this end piece over here. And then it bumps up to a 3.5 to the muffler and then 3.5 inch out. The old system is really, really restrictive. So when Cody pulled down the old down pipe, it was maybe 1.5 inches, 2 inches wide. And then it came down connected to about a 2.5 inch and then bumped up to a 3.5 inch. All right guys, so here's what the system looks like. Here's the new down pipe. Much, much bigger than the old one. The old one was definitely undersized for this truck. I went with the 4-inch straight pipe from Diamond Eye. We hop under here, lay on the nice wet ground. It goes from that 4-inch down pipe, comes down here. Obviously you can see it's a clipped together exhaust. Pretty easy to put together. You bolt it on, no welds or anything. It runs all the way back and then meets up with this 10-inch exhaust tip here. Axle dump right behind the rear axle. I love it. I definitely recommend an axle dump to anybody that wants to do an exhaust to their diesel. So if you guys have the stock system on your truck, definitely switch it out for a straight pipe. It'll let the truck breathe a lot better. Holy cow, I noticed a difference in throttle response. I don't know about mileage yet. I'll let you guys know if it bumps it up a little bit, but in a wow factor and fun factor for this truck, it definitely bumped it up. I have so much turbo whistle, it's not even funny. You barely hit the pedal and you can hear the whistle. You can hear it outside, not just under the hood. Like the 7.3 before, you could only hear the whistle underneath the hood. Now, when you roll down the windows, it is nothing but whistle and grumble. This thing is so angry sounding, and I love it so much. I can't believe that this is my truck. It sounds so good. It fits the truck's look. Just makes it angry and sounds so good. I want to give a major shout out to Cody and Garrett because you know what? They took point on this. I hardly touched anything. They are the ones that installed this exhaust for me. So you guys are awesome. Thank you so much. I cannot thank you enough. I am so ecstatic and so excited about this. It is unreal. I want to give a shout out to my cousin Zach because he sent me this 10-inch tip. I love it. I thought it was crazy. It is so ridiculous, but oh my gosh, I love it. It looks so good. It makes the truck extra loud and grumbly. It adds that megaphone effect, and with it pointed towards the ground, it makes the truck even louder. This thing is so loud, it's not even funny. I'm gonna get in so much trouble with it, but you know what? It is absolutely worth it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video. And I'll see you guys next time.